Good afternoon, dear students. Today we are back with our math class. Today we will do about area. So I will tell you what is area. How to find out the area of a particular figure. So as I have told you, we can find out the area and perimeter of the closed figures only. Closed figures I have told you which are closed from every side. Okay, like this. It is closed. Okay. From the point from where it is started, it ends at the same point. That is closed figure. Okay, so now what is, first of all, what is area? The measure of the surface. अभी surface है. Okay, this is surface. Enclosed by plane figure is called its area. Enclosed, word enclosed. अब perimeter क्या था? The length around a plane figure. The length around a figure. Length around means around, जो उसके चारों तरफ जो लेंथ होगी फिर किसी फिगर की, वो क्या होगा? उसका पेरीमीटर. अब एरिया इसके ऑपोजिट है. ये लेंथ अराउंड द फिगर थी, वो क्या था? एरिया सरफेस एनक्लोज्ड बाय द प्लेन फिगर. एनक्लोज्ड मतलब जो सरफेस उसके, जो फिगर उस फिगर के बीच में आती है. ये फिगर है, दिस इज द फिगर, जो इसको सरफेस को एनक्लोज है, जो सरफेस एनक्लोज्ड, जो इसके बीच में आ रही है, फिगर के बीच में. तो ये देखो, दिस शेडेड पार्ट जो मैंने लाइंस लगा के शेड किया हुआ है, दिस पार्ट, दिस इज द एनक्लोज्ड एरिया. एनक्लोज्ड एरिया, ठीक है. दिस इज अ क्लोज्ड फिगर. इसके अंदर जो एरिया आएगा पूरा, दैट इज एरिया. दैट इज जो सरफेस आएगी इसके अंदर, जो पूरी सरफेस आएगी इस फिगर के अंदर. एनक्लोज्ड मीन्स इसके अंदर जो आएगी. ओके, जो इसने अंदर की तरफ को घेरा हुआ है. ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड एरिया. ठीक है. ओके, सो द मेजर ऑफ द सरफेस, कितनी सरफेस इस फिगर के अंदर है. एनक्लोज्ड बाय अ प्लेन फिगर. कौन सी फिगर है ये? स्क्वायर. सपोज इट इज अ स्क्वायर, इट इज अ रेक्टेंगल. द सरफेस एनक्लोज्ड बाय दिस. एनक्लोज्ड में से इनके अंदर जो आएगी, जितनी सरफेस इन्होंने घेरी हुई है. कितनी सरफेस घेरी हुई है इन्होंने? देखो, दिस टोटल सरफेस विच आई हैव शेडेड, दिस पार्ट इज कॉल्ड इट्स एरिया. दिस पार्ट इज कॉल्ड इट्स एरिया. पेरीमीटर क्या था? द सरफेस, द लेंथ, टोटल लेंथ अराउंड इट्स बाउंड्री. टोटल लेंथ अराउंड इट्स बाउंड्री. इसकी बाउंड्री के दिस प्लस दिस प्लस दिस प्लस दिस अराउंड. ठीक है, अराउंड, दैट वाज पेरीमीटर. और एरिया क्या था? टोटल सरफेस एनक्लोज्ड बाय द प्लेन फिगर. एनक्लोज्ड मतलब इसके अंदर कितनी सरफेस आ गई है, दैट इज एरिया. I hope you have understood area. What is area? So once again I am telling, the measure of the surface enclosed by a plane figure is called its area. Now you see how to find out the area of different figures. In this class, in this chapter, you will do the area of rectangle or area of square. How to find the area of rectangle and how to find out the area of square. So we will follow here the method to find out the area by applying the formula only. So how to find out the area of a rectangle? Suppose this is the area of the, sorry, this is a rectangle. So this is its length. This is the length L. Length L means length, and this is the breadth. B means breadth. So suppose its length is 4 centimeter, breadth is 6 centimeter. The first thing which, when you find out the area, you have to keep in mind that the unit of the length and breadth must be same. Unit मतलब ये these centimeter. If 4 centimeter, then it should be centimeter here also in the breadth also. Okay, both should be in the same unit. Both should be expressed in the same unit. If here it is 4 centimeter and here it is 6 meter, then you cannot directly apply the formula. First of all you have to convert the meters into centimeters. Only then you can apply the formula and find the area. So once again I am telling, when you have to find out the area, before applying the formula, you just see that the units of both the length and breadth should be same. Okay, if one is expressed in centimeter, other should also be in centimeter. If one is in meter, other should also be in meter. Both should be same. So first of all I will tell you about the how to find out the area of rectangle. So we do length multiply by breadth. Length multiply by breadth. Perimeter we were finding by adding all the sides, but area we are finding by multiplying length into breadth. We are by doing length into breadth. Into means multiply. Length multiply by breadth. So if length is 4 centimeter, breadth is 6 centimeter, so area will be equal to area is denoted by A. Area is denoted by A. Area is equal to 4 centimeter multiplied by 6 centimeter. So now see, 6 into 4, first you do 6 into 4, 24. 6 4s are 24. 24. Now centimeter into centimeter. You will write square centimeter. Square centimeter का क्या मतलब होगा? Square centimeter means, sorry ये ऊपर लिखा गया थोड़ा सा, square centimeter. Okay, square centimeter means, square means 2. Square means 2. 2 times centimeter. So how many times we have written a centimeter into centimeter? 2 times centimeter. So square centimeter. Okay. So area will be equal to 24 square centimeter. Square centimeter is the unit of area. Square meters, square centimeter, square units you can say. Whatever unit will be here, square of that will be the area of unit of the area. If here it is meter, with 4 and 6 there will be meter, then the unit will be square meter. If here it is kilometer, then it will be 24 square kilometers. Okay, if here is millimeter, then it will be 24 square millimeter. Square means 2 times. Square means 2 times. So how many times centimeter is here? Centimeter multiplied by centimeter. So square centimeter. Okay. Now we come to square. A square. Okay. So we know that all sides of the square are equal. So suppose if one side is S, other side will also be S, third side will also be S, and fourth side will also be S. As we were multiplying here length into breadth, so here in place of length and breadth we are having SS. Means the sides are same. SS. We have taken SS. We can write anything. P also you can write. P into P. Okay, but we are saying side into side. S into S. Because this suppose it is equal to S. This is also equal to S. So side into side. Length into breadth. This is length. Length is S. Breadth is also S. So side into side. Area of square is equal to side into side. Suppose this side is 2 meter. You see. This side is also 2 meter. So area will be equal to 2 meter into 2 meter. So 2 2s are 4. And meter into meter, square meter. Okay, square meter. So I have told you the unit of area is square units. Square units means whatever will be here, whatever unit will be here, square of that. So 4 square meter. So once again I am telling you, the unit of length and breadth must be same. If here it is meter, here also should be meter. If here is centimeter, here also should be centimeter. Okay. So I hope you have understood this topic. Now we will do the questions of exercise 10B part C, D and E, F. Now part C, find the area of the following squares. You have to keep in mind that we have to find out the area of the squares whose all sides are equal. So I have told you that the area of the square is equal to side into side. Side into side. Okay, so it means first of all what thing you have to see, that the units must be same. Just see here centimeter, here also centimeter, centimeter, centimeter. All units are same, so we can do 6 centimeter multiplied by 6 centimeter, 36 square centimeter. Okay, so in the same way, part D, find the area of the following rectangles. Find the area of the following rectangles. In rectangle also, opposite sides are equal. So this is 2 centimeter, this is also 2 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, this is also 5 centimeter. When we have to find out the area, when we have to find out the perimeter, we add all the sides. Be careful. Now we have to find out the area. Area when we have to find, we will do by the method of, we will apply the formula length into breadth. So what is length? 2 centimeter. What is breadth? 5 centimeter. So length into breadth. First of all check whether the units are same or not. Here it is centimeter, here also centimeter. So units are same, so we can easily multiply. So length into breadth. So 2 5s are 10. 10 square centimeter. We go centimeter into centimeter, square centimeter. Square means 2 times. So 2 times centimeter, square centimeter. Okay, in this way, same way you will do all the questions. I have done in the notebook. You can see there. You can do yourself and then check with the with the picture image. You see, I have seen all the, I have done all the questions. Okay, 12 multiplied by 12. How will you do? 12, you know the table of 12. 12 2s are 24. Carry over 2. 12 1s are 12 plus 2 14, so it is 144, or you can do a double method also, but better you do with the table of 12. Okay, so here I have done all the questions. You see from the here, first you try yourself and then afterwards you match with the image. Do this in a classwork notebook and submit the homework.